Hey guys, today I'm going to be replacing the fuel pump on my 1965 Chevrolet C30, and I thought I'd just make a video on how to replace the mechanical fuel pump on a small block Chevy. Of course, this is a 283 V8, and I've got the new pump here. So I'm going to get the old one disconnected. You're going to start by disconnecting your fuel lines, which are right here, right there and right there. And then once you get your fuel lines disconnected, there's a bolt right there, and there's another one down in there. You probably can't see it, but it's down in there, and that's what holds the pump in place. So I'm going to go ahead and just disconnect everything, and I'll turn the camera back on once I'm through. Alright guys, got the fuel line disconnected from the actual pump. The rubber one was really stuck on there. Well, that's the original fuel pump. I think that rubber line's been replaced at least once or so, but it's been on there for a while either way. So now I'm going to go just unbolt the pump from the engine block itself. And here we go, guys. Here's our old fuel pump. So we will have to transfer these two fittings onto the new pump. But yeah, it's the new fuel pump, guys. I mean the old fuel pump. See if there. Okay, the gasket did come off, but I'll clean that up a little bit, but the gasket will be on the pump. Yeah, it's still on the pump. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the necessary fittings to the new pump. Then I'll show you guys the reinstallation. Alright guys, we got the fittings on the new pump. So we're going to start the reinstallation. Alright guys, now here comes the hard part about putting in a mechanical fill pump. That little rod right there, I don't know if you can see it, it's right there, I'm touching it. That is driven by the engine that moves the little lever on the pump, has to be pushed up back into its place before you can reinstall your pump. Alright guys, I got the pump bolted on it. So it's all attached now. Just gotta reconnect the fuel lines and then we'll try to start the truck. Alright guys, got the fuel lines hooked back up and it's got dark on me, so doing this by flashlight, but we're gonna try to start the truck. It might take a little while for it to start because it doesn't have, it's got a new pump, it's got to get primed, I'm guessing. We'll see. Warm up. There we go, guys. Got the fuel pump all hooked up. It's running good. I need to turn the choke off. It's running rich right now. So anyway guys, There's a video of changing the fuel pump on a small block Chevy. It's really the same for any small block Chevy with a mechanical fuel pump. Thanks for watching. See everybody later.